Doppler. Dave and Doppler, there's two of you in the picture right now because you were busy this morning.
You know, I have been noticing these sandbags by my house, so I decided to pick them up. It's not because I'm seeing something that we're going to have some major flooding, but, you know, it's always good to pick up these sandbags when you have an opportunity just to be prepared because, you know, August, our wettest month of the year, typically it's the month of August, and if we see rains, we can have very heavy rains and even some flooding conditions, and that relates even into the month of September. So I would go ahead if you can and pick up some sandbags just to have them handy in case we do see some flooding issues. You can go to our website, KVIA.com, look under top stories or under weather, and you can find locations where you can get some sandbags, and they are absolutely free. You don't have to pay for them if they're still around. All right, there's a look at Doppler radar. We're tracking some showers and thunderstorms southbound. They're all moving to the west. A little bit of a northwesterly twist. All right, look right here. We've got an isolated cell that has been developing. You folks in that area certainly have been watching the cloud build up, but there it is right now. Are we seeing any lightning? Not in this latest image here, but we're also picking up some moderate rain right along 375 in see Loma Terrace, and it's moving off towards the west, a little bit of a northwesterly twist. So we'll have to watch out for that because you know what, those outflow boundaries, those gusts of wind can initiate other storms in the area. We've been watching thunderstorms up here in Otero County as well. Some of these not huge, but certainly some good rainers, and they are moving to the northwest as well. We have 101. You know, every day this month, what we're talking about 5 days in a row, we've had triple-digit temperatures. Very unusual, you know, for the month of August to have this many triples, but we have 5 days in a row. Tomorrow, very well, we could see a triple-digit temperature. We're actually forecasting about 99. Your planner tonight, 20% chance of thunderstorms all the way until late tonight. If you look at our latest Future Track computer model, this model, again, not very aggressive in producing a lot of storms. We get a little blip here. This is around 10 o'clock. Of course, we are watching a few storms developing as we speak, but this model run just does not have many thunderstorms developing, not only tonight, but all the way through the upcoming weekend. If you do have any weekend plans involve the outdoors, certainly realize we will have about a 20% chance of seeing some thunderstorms through the weekend. We shouldn't see many, but there will be the opportunity. All right, we are watching the Rio Grande River. You know, these guys continue to measure every week. They go and measure the flow of the river for the Texas farmers, see how fast that water is moving, how much water they're going to need. But the dam will close actually August 20th, so that's coming up right around the corner, and then you'll slowly begin to see that river eventually dry up. 99 degrees tomorrow, 98 Sunday, 95 on Monday. There's that chance for some storms. We bump it up to about 30% by Monday and Tuesday. Keep those temperatures right around average for this time of year, Eric.
All right.